Welcome back, guys. In that last video we have seen what and all the packages need to be installed. In this video we are going to check out what and all the configuration needs to be done. And the first thing you need to do is you have to start that service VSFTP daemon service. System ctl enable vsftpd.service. Okay, it has been created a symbolic link. Okay, it has been enabled. Let's start. Check out the status. Yeah, it is active and running. Once it is done, you have to add this VSFTP to the firewall also, where port number and service also. For that, using firewall -cmd -zone equal to public, and then -permanent -add -service equal to FTP. Okay, again let me add the port number. Port 21/TCP. Hit enter. Okay, it is successfully added, and then reload the firewall for the changes. Okay, yeah, it is reloaded. And then next we have to make sure whether it is accessing or not FTP. FTP://192.168.248. Let me check the IP address. IP address. Okay, here it is. 154. Okay, 154. Hit enter. Yeah. See, I'm able to access this file /pub/. So it is ready and up and running, and firewall access also given. Okay, it is good. We are good to move ahead. And then once it is done, you have to mount that. We have already mounted, so we have to copy all the packages to the directory. For that, create rsync -var, and then okay, I should have created make directory /var/ftp/pub/packages. Okay, let's create this directory. Okay, I was saying, and then this directory. Before this, we have to change directory. Okay, change directory, because we are going to synchronize this packages directory. So we have to change the directory back, and then list it. Yeah, packages directory is there. So all the packages need to be synchronized to M server. So for that, synchronize okay, hit enter. Sending incremental file list. Okay, it will take around 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, once this is done, I will get back. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. In the upcoming video, we are going to see about how to configure mrepo. Thank you.